at the Victorian Albert Museum. I'm really excited to go inside and see what they've got. On first walking in, they were having a fashion show, very avant-garde. I then went into the fashion exhibit. They had beautiful lace work with those ruffle sleeves. They had lace running down the back of this dress, which I thought was really beautiful. This, oh my goodness, I loved all of the origami work at the hem. I saw this lace shawl that I thought was really beautiful, and this doll that had just some tucks along the bodice that I thought was really pretty. Lace veil was just exquisite. I love the ruffles on this dress, bodice that was open so you could see the interior of it, and this doll had just detailed pleats on the sleeve opening and the hem of the dress. I loved all of the details of this dress, but this was absolutely my favorite. The tucks, the hand embroidery at the bodice, all of the ruffles of the exquisite lace, and lace shaping down the skirt. Oh my gosh, it took a while to just really absorb all of the details in that dress. There was this last pleated shawl, and then I went straight into the fashion museum shop. They had a huge amount of Cartier merchandise for the Cartier exhibit. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get into that because it was sold out until the end of July. But they had so many items, postcards, embellished socks and shirts, hand embroidery kits, pins. They also had a huge assortment of books, which I was really impressed with the selection on not only the designers, but also fashion history. I eventually ventured into this design studio where you could virtually try on. The senior design students had created a digital product, and you could go and virtually try on the garments that they had created. Then I went and saw their virtual fashion show that was on display. I went to the cafeteria and had some brunch. This Earl Grey scone was delicious, and some coffee. Headed to the main gift shop. I loved the pops of floral, as well as they had a huge selection of DMC canvases, needlepoint pillows, as well as just bookmarks. They had enamel buttons you could purchase. All in all, it was a really great day spent at the museum.